Morning, guys. I like to start my day with some delicious French press coffee. And you know what's a good idea for me? Using oat milk. Because when I drink regular milk, my stomach gets all upset, and the oat milk helps to protect me. And you know what can protect you when you're running online giveaways, sweepstakes, and contests? It's by having the right rules or terms and conditions. So many of us run giveaways on our pages and they're great, like my Facebook post for some free oat milk or a chance to win some free oat milk. But those games are governed by contest and sweepstakes laws. And if you don't follow them, you can get sued or fined or have your social media profiles banned. So if you want to have all the goodness of a cup of coffee and a successful giveaway, contact the social media law firm to help with your giveaway terms and conditions. Now, if you'll excuse me, it's time for coffee.